Welcome back! Before we get started learning about WordPress and building our own custom sites, I want to help you navigate this course in the best way possible for your goals. So before you move on, I'd like to share a few suggestions and share a little bit more about the structure of this course. As we discussed in the previous video, this course is divided into 6 different modules, as well as a series of assignments and a final project, during which you will also practice your website building skills. If completed, at the end of this training, you will have not 1, not 2, but 3 beautiful WordPress websites you can use as a portfolio of your skills. The first website you will build is a fully featured site for a make-believe business. While you can choose to customize this site as we go, I would suggest using the training site as an opportunity to follow along step by step to ensure you grasp all of the skills being taught. The second website you will be built in tandem with the training through the module assignments. This is your opportunity to take what you have learned and apply your own creativity to it as you build a website of your choosing, whether a blog, business site, or a site for someone else. Finally, in the final project, you'll have the opportunity to start from scratch once more and build what may be the most important site of the whole training, your own personal portfolio site. As we all know, learning new skills takes practice, and that's why this training is structured the way it is. Each of these sites build off of each other and provide you with a structured opportunity to practice, practice, practice. One technical note as you begin this course. While we all know that in order to be seen by the world, a website needs to live online, it is also possible to build a WordPress site right on your own computer. This is known as offline development and is used frequently in the real world for designing sites before publishing them. However, developing online is also frequently used when working with clients or when you know that you'd like your final product to be live on the internet. Either way, we will cover both methods in this training, and you will have the opportunity to practice both if you so desire while designing the 3 course sites. And, just so you know, if you start building on your own computer and decide you'd like to switch and publish your site live on the internet, don't worry, that's entirely possible, and there's a section for that too. So no matter what you decide, I'll explain everything at the top of each section so you can decide then and there if you're in the right place. The last thing I'd suggest is that you consider making a plan to get through this course. I've found that while you can learn WordPress by doing a little bit here and a little bit there, it's usually so much better to try and dedicate solid blocks of time to really focus and absorb the content. Now, not everyone has the ability to schedule large chunks of learning time, and that's fine. Every little bit counts. But if you want to really maximize this training, I'd recommend at least scheduling some time to really invest in the course. While there's always a temptation to rush, it rarely, if ever, pays off, and the benefits of dedication and perseverance are far greater. So take your time, have fun, and really absorb the content as you journey through this course. All right, last thing before we get started is to make sure you download the training resources. In the resources folder, you'll find a PDF with all of the course project content, as well as individual folders with templates, images, and more for each section that will enable you to follow along step by step with the training and create an identical website right down to the text and pictures. And that's it. I hope you're ready to start learning WordPress. Take a quick break, come back, settle in, and I'll see you in the next section.